What if you are not poor? Just pause and let that question sit with you for a moment. You know, it is easy to believe you are lacking. It is easy to think your struggle is because of scarcity. But what if that is not true? What if your problem is not what you do not have, but what you have not done? Many people live in survival mode. They think their story is about lack, but often it is about drift. Let's challenge that belief right here, right now. You are not helpless. You are not finished. Today, you get to ask yourself a new question. Not, why am I poor, but am I drifting? That's the beginning of your breakthrough. Drifting is living without a plan, letting each day unfold without intention or direction. It is waking up, reacting to whatever comes your way, instead of deciding what you want to create. You pay bills as they arrive, never looking ahead. You spend money as it comes in, without a thought for tomorrow. You do not lead your life, you simply respond to it. I know this place. I have been there myself, caught in the same cycle. I have watched money slip through my hands, feeling powerless. I have let days pass without direction, just hoping things would change. I have told myself it would get better someday if I just waited. Maybe you see yourself here too, stuck in the same drift. You know you work hard, but you're always behind, always catching up. You hope for more, but you do not plan for more, and so nothing changes. Your life is like a boat with no oars, drifting wherever the current goes, with no control over your direction. It is not just about money or work. It is about purpose, about meaning. Drifting happens when you are not leading your life, when you let circumstances decide for you. But you can change that. You can take the wheel and start steering your life toward the future you want. Here is the hard truth. It's something most people don't want to hear, but it's essential if you want to break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Most financial struggles are not about how much you earn. They are about how you think, plan and act with the resources you already have. Your mindset and habits play a bigger role than your paycheck. It is easier to blame your salary or your background. But the real problem often lies in drifting, moving through life without a clear plan or purpose, letting circumstances decide for you. When there is no vision, there is no direction. You spend as you feel, reacting to every impulse or desire, instead of making intentional choices. You hope for a better job, but you do not prepare for it. You pray for a breakthrough, but you do not plan for one. You wait for luck, but you don't build the habits that create opportunity. Without intention, dreams fade. I have seen people with little make much because they had a plan and stuck to it, even when it was hard. I have seen people with much lose everything because they drifted. The difference is not always skill or luck, but the willingness to take control and steer your life. The difference is vision and discipline. The truth can be painful to accept, but it's also the first step toward real change. But it is also freeing. If drifting is the problem, then direction is the answer. You're not powerless. You can choose to change course. You can choose a new path today. Every small step you take with intention brings you closer to the life you want. The Bible is clear and direct about how to break the cycle of drifting through life without purpose or direction. Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty." This verse reminds us that careful planning and steady effort are keys to a fruitful life. Planning is not optional. It is absolutely essential if you want to move forward and experience growth. Who you walk with matters deeply, more than you might realize. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 20 tells us, "Whoever walks with the wise becomes wise, but the companion of fools will suffer harm." The people you surround yourself with influence your choices and your future. Your circle shapes your destiny, guiding your steps and affecting your outcomes. And do not forget obedience, which is the foundation of lasting change. Job chapter 36 verse 11 promises, "If they obey and serve him, they will spend their days in prosperity and their years in pleasures." Obedience brings breakthrough and unlocks blessings that cannot be earned any other way. You are not meant to drift aimlessly, lost in the tides of life. You are called to plan, to choose your circle wisely, and to obey with a willing heart. That is how you step out of lack and into true abundance, living the life you were created for. Hope is powerful, but hope alone will not change your life. You know, you can pray for increase every day. You can speak abundance, but you must also act. Action turns hope into reality. Many people wait for things to get better. They wait for a miracle. But God often waits on us. He gives us wisdom, connections, and opportunities. It is up to us to use them. Intentional action is simple. It is setting goals. It is making a budget. It is saying no to what does not match your purpose. It is choosing friends who inspire you to grow. Stop only hoping for better. Start building better. Every small wise step is a seed for breakthrough. Here are 3 clear steps for change. First, set a clear goal for your money. Decide what you need and what you want to achieve. Write it down. See it every day. Second, evaluate your relationships. Are your friends drifting or are they building? Do they lift you up or pull you down? Be honest. Your circle matters more than you think. Third, act quickly on good advice. When you hear wisdom, do not delay. Do not wait for the right time. The right time is now. Start with one small action. These steps are simple, but they are powerful. Try them for 1 month. Watch what changes in your life. Breakthrough starts with honesty. You must see your habits for what they are. Track your spending. Notice your patterns. Are you leading your money, or is it leading you? Clarity is your friend. When you see where you drift, you know where to lead. Write down your goals. Share them with someone you trust. Be bold about what you want. Self-reflection is not weakness. It is wisdom. The wise are not afraid of the truth. They seek it out. They grow from it. They change because of it. You have the power to change. But you must first see clearly. Honesty and clarity are the keys to your next level. This is your moment. Do not drift anymore. Declare it. No more drifting. Say it in the comments. Say it out loud. Let the world know you have chosen a new way. Share this message. Support someone else's breakthrough, like comment and subscribe, not just for me, but for your own commitment. Your action is your agreement. Write in the comments, "No more drifting," or say, "I will mind my circle," or "I will obey." Your words matter. Your action starts now. Do not wait for another sign. Your breakthrough starts with obedience. Take the first step today. The doors will open when you move. God rewards those who act in faith. Your financial breakthrough is waiting.